Centipede grass and St. Augustine look pretty similar, but why is centipede grass better? Let's discuss in this week's video. Both grasses grow by sending out runners or stolons, which spread over the surface of the lawn before tacking down and rooting in the soil. This makes it easier for these grasses to cover bare patches. Also, both grasses have a coarse texture, even though St. Augustine grass blades are thicker with a darker green color. As far as shade, both grasses are equally tolerant, even though neither will thrive at its highest potential. Unfortunately, this is where the similarities end, and centipede shows why it is the superior grass. While centipede grass is known as the lazy man's grass, St. Augustine may require more maintenance than any of the other warm-season grasses. It prefers to be cut high, between 3 and 4 inches, which means frequent mowing. It also needs 3 to 4 pounds of nitrogen fertilizer per year, about twice as much as centipede, to perform at its optimal level. Centipede grass prefers low mowing and has a slow growth rate, tolerating much less frequent mowing. Centipede grass can also grow in many soil types and is suitable anywhere the weather permits. Contrarily, St. Augustine grass is mainly found in Florida and other beach areas because it prefers a sandy silt soil. Because this type of soil doesn't hold water well, St. Augustine grass has to be watered more frequently, making it more susceptible to fungus and attacks from insects, especially chinch bugs. This is compounded by the fact that St. Augustine has a major thatch problem, which is the perfect home for diseases and pest problems. Sadly, there is no commercially available seed for St. Augustine grass, which means more expensive and time-consuming repair methods. Of course, lawn care maintenance crews prefer St. Augustine grass for all the potential problems they'll be paid to treat. However, if there is an option, homeowners should opt for the hardier, superior centipede grass. If you'd like tips on caring for your centipede grass, subscribe and tune in to next week's video. As always, thank you for watching.